We often need to manipulate PDF pages in a PDF. In this video, I'll show you how to insert, extract, delete, rotate, reposition, and replace PDF pages with a powerful PDF page editor, PDFelement. Let's open a PDF file. Then head to the Page menu. Here you have useful page editing tools. To extract pages, just select the ones you need and then click the Extract button. In the pop-up window, you can still change the page range. Click OK. Now the chosen pages have been extracted into a separate file. Click the Save button on the top left corner and select the saving location. Now let's go back to the original file and insert pages. Select a page. The new pages will be added after it. Click Insert. You can choose to insert a blank page or pages from other PDF. Now we pick From PDF and select the file we need. In the pop-up window, we can set page range and position. Click OK. New pages have been easily inserted. And now let's try the Split function. Click Split. In the pop-up window, we can choose to split the file by number of pages or top-level bookmarks. Here we choose Number of Pages. Then we select the Output folder. Hit OK. Now you can see the split files are here in order. To replace pages, easily click the Replace button and select the replacement file. Then customize the page range as you need. Hit OK. Looks great! The pages have already been replaced. To remove pages or change the page orientation, simply use the Rotate and Delete tools on the right side of the toolbar. You can also move your mouse to one single page and rotate or delete it as you like. Simply drag and drop the page to change the page position. Click on the link in the description to experience more powerful page editing features of PDFelement for free right now. If you found this tutorial helpful, check out the rest of PDFelement's channel online. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!